Hello, I am Umar. I'm going to give presentation on using because and because of. You can find me on blogspot.com and youtube.com. Because or because of. Okay. What is the difference between because and because of? Because by itself is a subordinating conjunction that introduces an adverbial clause. Because of, on the other hand, is a compound preposition followed by a noun phrase that encapsulates the reason for the proposition. How do you use because and because of? Let's take a look at the similarity. Because of and because are both used to introduce reasons. And the difference, because of is a preposition. It is generally followed by a verb plus ing or a noun. Because is a conjunction. It is followed by a subject and a verb. Example of using because. There are two same sentence but with different using of because and because of. First, she could not attend because she had hurt her foot. The second, she could not attend because of feeling ill. Okay, I'm going to explain to you in bahasa Indonesia. Kapan harus menggunakan because of? Jika kamu hanya menulis sebuah pernyataan alasan dalam bentuk noun atau noun phrase saja, maka kamu harus menggunakan because of sebelum kata noun atau noun phrase tersebut. Sedangkan jika kamu menulis pernyataan alasan dalam bentuk kalimat yang memiliki subjek dan verb atau predicate, maka kamu bisa menggunakan because sebelum menulis kalimat tersebut. Because of adalah preposisi kata atau two-word conjunction digunakan sebelum kata benda atau kata ganti. Because of memiliki makna by reason of, yang kemudian dalam penulisannya diikuti dengan objek yang berupa noun atau phrase, pronoun atau verb ing. Because of formulanya, because of ditambah noun atau phrase atau pronoun atau verb ing. Lebih jelasnya seperti berikut ini. Because of ditambah noun phrase. We were bored because of the speech. The speech adalah noun phrase. John was worried because of the rain. The rain adalah noun phrase. Contoh lebih jelas. The seawater level increased as the heavy rain poured since last night and also because of the climate change. He looks terrible and tired since he's up all night because of the test. Nah, ini contoh because of ditambah pronoun. Why are you upset? Don't you see? We are all here doing this because of you. It's all because of me. He lose everything. We should reflect on what we did all this time. I think he dropped out because of us. Nah, ini contoh because of menggunakan verb ing. Because of feeling happy, Edward sings loudly. Because of feeling sick, Tiara didn't come to school today. Kapan harus menggunakan because? Because merupakan subordinate conjunction atau adalah sebuah kata penghubung yang digunakan pada awal clause atau klausa sebelum subjek dan kata kerja. Untuk aturan menggunakan because ditambah clause harus diikuti atau dilengkapi dengan adanya main clause. Karena kata tersebut, because ditambah clause tidak dapat berdiri sendiri. Because formulanya, because ditambah subject, ditambah verb atau clause, ditambah main clause. Atau bisa juga main clause ditambah because, ditambah clause atau subject, ditambah verb. Nah, untuk lebih mengerti, we were bored because the speech is too long. The speech adalah subject, is-nya verb, dan ininya adalah klausa. Lebih jelasnya, examples. I'm not happy because the film is not so good. The film subject is not-nya verb, so good, clause. He decided to stay at office because the weather was bad. Because the weather was bad, he decided to stay at office. Sinta makes a cake because her mother wants it. Because her mother wants it, Sinta makes a cake. The girl is a smart girl because she is not lazy to study. Okay, that's all. Thanks. Any question? You can find me at Blogspot. www.learningenglish, learn English from Wanayasa blogspot.blogspot.com or on my YouTube. Just search my name on the browser, M. Umar Arab. Okay, thank you.